How to fix your IT administrator has limited access to some of the areas of this app problem. So if you're facing a problem with your administrator has limited access to some of the areas of this app, then what you need to do is simply go for the search, and then you can search for task manager. Open up the task manager, and once you've opened, click on run new task, which is on the upper right. And once you've clicked, you need to simply remove that, and then you can go for browse. And once you choose browse, you need to go for local disk, or you need to go for this PC and then go for local disk C. Double tap on that, and here you need to search for Windows. Go for Windows, and under Windows you can scroll down, and here you need to search for System 32. So search for System 32, double click on that, and then scroll all the way down till we find cmd.exe. So here we will have cmd, right? Right click on that or open that, and here click on create this task with administrative privilege, and then click on OK, and here you will have this type of interface, right? So you need to simply enter some of commands carefully, and you need to hit enter to execute them for all of. So you will get all of these commands in the description below. I'll show you how to copy them and paste on the command prompt window. We need to simply copy all of them from the description. And once you've copied, you need to simply right click on this interface, right click on that, and here you will have edit option. Click on edit and then click on paste. And once you've pasted, and here we need to hit the enter button, and once you hit the enter, here you will have another command, right? And here you need to write exit, and you need to hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, this interface will be removed. And now you can go back, and then you can restart your device, and once you restart your device, now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem of the administrator has limited access to some of the areas of this app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.